Here we have our MS9010 Adaline Scarf. Your monogram will go here, centered on the edge of the scarf, at about 2.5 inches from the edge. Use a ruler to find the center of the scarf as well as the 2.5 inches from the edge. Use a water-soluble marking pen to mark. Slide the scarf onto a 6 by 5 inch slimline clamp frame with 2 sheets of tearaway. Pull the outside edge of the scarf to the outside edge of the frame. Place your laser on the centering mark you had made. Trace the sewing area to ensure the monogram fits inside the frame. Place the sheet of solvay on the scarf. You can now begin sewing. Hang a weighted item from the frame to prevent excess shaking and uneven stitches. All of the items used in this video can be purchased at wholesaleboutique.com. This water-soluble disappearing ink keeps your mark visible only when you need them. When you no longer need the mark, just wipe them off with plain water. Forget to wipe it off? No worries. It will disappear on its own within 72 hours. When your sew is complete, remove product from the frame and the tearaway and the solvay. There you have a finished product. Click the links in the description below to view the items used in this video.